Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. In today's class, we will learn about mathematical reasoning chapter. This is the first class of mathematical reasoning chapter. In this class, we will learn the definition of statement. What is statement? Statement is also known as proposition. We will learn the definition of statement and we will discuss some examples to understand the definition of a statement, and then we will complete all the problems of exercise number 14.1 in today's class. Okay, first let's see what is the definition of a statement. Statement. What is statement? Statement is a sentence. Look here, it is a sentence. What is statement? It is a sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a statement. It is a sentence which is either true or false but not both. Here sentence means what is sentence? Combination of words. For example, mathematics is difficult. It is one sentence. Bangalore is capital of Karnataka. It is one sentence. Which sentence is called a statement? A sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a statement. Here, for example, you observe this is a sentence. What is this? Sum of 2 and 3 is 5. That means they are saying that 2 plus 3 equal to 5. First point, sum of 2 and 3 is 5. It is a sentence or not? Yes, it is a sentence. Now my question is this sentence is true or false? Can you declare that this sentence is true or false? Yes, we can declare that it is clearly true. Sum of 2 and 3 is 5. This is clearly true. So a sentence which is either true or false but not both. Here we can clearly declare that. This is a sentence which is true. So what I can say? I can say that it is a statement. It is a statement because it is a declarative sentence. Statement. It is a statement. Okay. Now you observe this example. Sum of 2 and 3 is 7. Actually we know that sum of 2 and 3 is 5. But in this sentence they written like this. It is a sentence. Sum of 2 and 3 is 7. Can we declare that whether it is true or false? Can we declare? Clearly we can say that it is a false sentence. It is false. It is false. You can declare it. Even though this sentence is false, as you can declare it is false, we'll say that it is a statement. Try to understand. The second one, this is a statement. Why it is a statement? What is the definition of statement? It is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Here, this sentence is false. This is declarative sentence. We can declare it is false. That's why this is a statement. If you cannot declare whether it is true or false, at that time, we cannot say anything. For example, look here. Today is Sunday. This sentence is there. This sentence is true or false? On Sunday, this sentence is true. On Sunday, this sentence is true. Other days in a week, this sentence is false. So, today is Sunday is a sentence. This sentence is true or false? This is true on Sunday and remaining days it is false. That means both are happening. So, this sentence is a statement or not? This sentence is not a statement. Why? Because this is true for some days. This is not true for few days, right? It is not a statement. I hope you are understanding what is statement. What is statement? Statement is a sentence which is either true or false. But not both. Today is Sunday. In this example, it is both. It is true on Sunday. In remaining days, it is false. Okay? That's why this is not a statement. I hope you understand. Today is Sunday is not a statement because it is true for here. Not both, but actually it is both happening. It is true for few days, it is true for one day, and remaining days it is false. Both are happening. That's why today is Sunday, today is Monday, today is Friday. All those things are not statements. Good. Now see the next one. Mathematics is difficult. Mathematics is difficult. Yes, this is a sentence. It is a sentence. Is this sentence a statement or not? When we say it is a statement, if you can declare it is true, if you can declare it is true, or if you can declare it is false, in that case it is a statement. Mathematics is difficult. How you can declare that mathematics is difficult? Mathematics is difficult. Maybe it is difficult to you. It is maybe easy to your friend. You cannot declare that mathematics is easy. Yes, Aruna Kumari, hi. Neat Rockers, hi. After so many days doing live, because of some health reasons, unable to come live regularly, I'll try to complete this chapter within a week. Mathematical reasoning chapter, I'll try to complete within a week. Okay, come to this example. Mathematics is difficult. Is a statement or not? Can we declare it is true or false? We cannot declare. For some students, mathematics is difficult. For some, mathematics is very easy. So here, both happening. What is the definition of statement? It is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Here, both is happening here. This is true for some, this is false for some. Usha, hi. So, mathematics is difficult is a statement or not a statement? Mathematics is difficult is not a statement. I hope you are understanding. Mathematics is difficult is not a statement. Why? It is true for some, it is false for some. Okay. Now, look here, this is sentence. Open the door. It is a sentence. Open the door is a sentence. It is true or false? It is true or false. What is there in this to check true or false? Open the door is a order. Very good, Usha. Open the door is a order. Mr. Calculator. Hi. Hello everyone, right? Open the door. Open the door. Thank you, Mr. Calculator. I'll try to do continuously videos because of some health issues, not able to do videos regularly. I'll try to upload the videos regularly. Thank you so much for your love, Mr. Calculator. Right? Open the door is a statement or not? Open the door. Open the door is true or false means we cannot say. Open the door is an order. We are ordering that open the door, close the door, something like that. Questions, orders, exclamations are not statements. Open the door is an order. Orders are not statements. Answer this question. Answer this question. Right? Answer this question. Such type of things are not statements. Here, open the door is not a statement. Why open the door is not a statement? Because it is order. In this order, we cannot find true false. Orders are not statements. Okay. Next example. Wow, how beautiful you are. This is a sentence. Is this sentence is statement or not? This is actually compliment. In this, it may be true. Compliment may be true. Compliment may be false. Sometimes false compliments also will give to our friends now. Right? So, how beautiful you are. It is a compliment. This is also not a statement because it may be true. It may be false. So, how beautiful you are. It is not a statement. This is not a statement. Okay. Now, look at this one. Kashmir is far from here. Actually, I am in Bangalore. For me, Kashmir is far from here. For me, this sentence is true. For me, this sentence is true. But the students who are in Kashmir, if they see this Kashmir is far from here, they laugh because they are in the Kashmir. So what happening? This is the sentence. It is true for some. It is false for some. Those who are far from Kashmir, for them it is true. Those who are in the Kashmir, for them it is false. So what is the definition of statement? Definition of statement is it is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. But in this case, both are happening. In this case, both are happening. Right? So that's why this is not a statement. Kashmir is far from here is not a statement. I hope you all understand the definition of statement. It is very simple. A sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a statement. Complete chapter of mathematical reasoning revolves around this definition only. So this definition of statement is very, very important. Statement is also known as proposition. Okay, proposition is nothing but statement. Okay, now we'll quickly do exercise number 14.1 problems. Okay, right. Exercise number 14.1. Observe here. Which of the following sentences are statements? They given some sentences. You need to identify which of the following are statements and give reason for your answer. We need to give reason for that answer. Okay. You observe this first bit. What is this first bit? There are 35 days in a month. There are 35 days in a month. It is a sentence. Can we declare whether it is true or false? If you can declare whether it is true or false, we can say that it is a statement. There are 35 days in a month. What you say? It is true or false? Clearly we can declare that it is false. This is a declarative sentence. Even though the sentence is false, it is a statement because clearly we can declare that it is false. When you cannot say whether it is true or false, at that time it is not a statement. This is not a statement, right? So there are 35 days in a month is actually false. Actually false. As we can declare it is false, we are saying that it is a statement. I hope you are understanding. Here they are asking that give reason for your answer. Don't write confusing answer. You write simply it is a declarative sentence. Whatever sentence is there here, this is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentences are always statements. We can declare it is false. In everywhere, if you go for some other countries, there are 35 days in a month means they laugh. Because there is no month in a year which contains 35 days. Right? So we can declare it is false. That's why it is a statement. Now see the second bit. Mathematics is difficult. Mathematics is difficult. Is it is a statement? Mathematics is difficult. Can you declare it is true or can you declare it is false? We already discussed in the examples. Mathematics is difficult for some students. Mathematics is difficult for some. Mathematics is easy for some students. This is true for some students. This is false for some students. That means both are happening. Right? That's why this is not a statement. This is not a statement. They are asking give the reason. In the question they are asking give reason. If they ask give reason, you just write like this. This is not a declarative sentence. You write here. Space is not there. That's why I'm not writing. This is not a declarative sentence. Not a statement. Yes. So here it is not a declarative sentence. You cannot declare mathematics is difficult. You cannot conclude and you cannot pass this message mathematics is difficult. Right? It is easy for some. It is difficult for some. That means the sentence is true for some. This is false for some. Both are happening. That's why this is not a statement. Okay. Now see this third bit. The sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. The sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. Those who completed 10th standard, they can say easily. The sum of 5 and 7 is what? The sum of 5 and 7 is 12. 12 is greater than 10. Can you declare that it is true or false? Sakshi, hello. The sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. Can you declare that the sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10? Can we declare? Yes, we can easily declare that it is true. The statement what they given, it is true. Those who completed 10th standard, they can easily say that the sum of 5 and 7 is 12. Sakshi girl, please take lectures on derivatives. Already complete continuity derivatives chapter completed, Sakshi. In this video below, you see the description. If you see the description, continuity differentiability full chapter I did. Please check it once. Integration also full I did. Applications of derivatives also around 70% I already done. Please check it once. Okay. The sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. So here this statement is, this sentence is true. When you can declare it is true, I'll say that yes, it is a statement. As you can declare that, something wrong is happening. Right, I'll write here. As you can declare, this is a statement. It is a statement. Okay. Now see the next bit. Square of a number is an even number. Square of a number is an even number. For example, you take 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. You take 4 square. 4 square is 16. You take 6 square. 6 square is 36. You can observe square of a number is even. Square of a number is even. Can you declare it is true? Square of a number is even number. Can you declare that is it true? Can you declare that is it is true? Actually, square of even numbers is even only. You observe here 3 square. 3 square is 9. Square of 3 is odd number. Please try to understand. 5 square. 5 square is 25. That means what happening? Square of a number is even number is true for some numbers. You observe for these numbers it is true. But for these numbers it is false. For these numbers it is false. That means this statement is true for some. This statement is false for some. I hope you are understanding. This is both. This is both. This is true for some numbers. This is false for some numbers. When you cannot declare whether it is true or false, at the time it is not a statement. I hope you are understanding. What is the definition of a statement? It is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Here both are happening. For some numbers it is true, for some numbers it is false. That's why I'll write that it is not a statement. I'll write here, not a statement. In case if you want to write, give reason they are asking, what you will write? You write that it is not a declarative sentence. We cannot declare this. We cannot declare this. Or else it is not a declarative sentence. In brackets you write that 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9. From this they can understand that it is true for some, it is false for some. That is the answer for this. Good. Now you see the next one. The square, this is over. The sides of a quadrilateral have equal length. The sides of a quadrilateral have equal length. What is quadrilateral? We know that quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by 4 lines. For example, if I take a square, square is a quadrilateral in which all sides are of equal length. Okay, quadrilateral, this is quadrilateral. As it is a square, all sides are equal length. If I take rectangle, rectangle is also quadrilateral. But in this all sides are not equal. Priyanka, hi. In this all sides are not equal. So what you say about this statement, this sentence, all sides of a quadrilateral have equal length is true for squares. This is not true for other quadrilaterals. So this sentence is true for some quadrilaterals. This sentence is false for some quadrilaterals. That means both are happening. I hope you are getting the point, right? That's why this is not a statement. This is not a statement. Okay, this is not a statement. Right. Now, answer this question. Answer this question. In this, we cannot identify a true or false. Listen carefully. Questions, orders. Rahul, good evening. Questions, orders, requests, exclamations are not the statements. Here, answer this question. It is a question form. When it is a question, at the time you can easily declare that it is not a statement. Right here, this is not a statement. Why? Because it is a question. That is the answer you will write. Give reason they are asking, you need to write the reason. Because it is a question. Right? It is a, answer this question. Right? Like order, answer this question. Okay. Now, 7th bit. You see the 7th bit. Product of -1 and 8 is 8. Product of -1 and 8 is 8. Look here, product of -1 and 8 is 8 they are saying. Can you declare it is true or false? Can you declare it is true or false? Yes, we can easily declare that it is false. -1 into 8 is -8. Wherever you go, wherever the country you go, you ask -1 into 8 is what, means they'll say -8. -1 into 8 is wrong. This is wrong sentence. We can declare. It is a declarative sentence. We can declare that it is false. right? As you can declare it is false, we'll say that it is a statement. Declarative sentences are always statements, remember that. When you can declare whether it is true or false, at the time it is statement. It is false, we can clearly say that it is a declarative sentence, that's why it is a statement. Okay. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Those who completed 10th standard, for them it is like a plus b whole square formula type. They'll easily say that this sentence is clearly true. Not only in our country, you go anywhere in the world, the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Can we declare whether it is true or false? Yes, we can declare. That's why this is a statement. Yes, it is a statement. Yes, it is a statement. Now, look here, this one. Today is windy day. Today is windy day. This sentence is true on a windy day. Okay, this sentence is true on a windy day. This sentence is false on not a windy day. So there is a chance it may be true or may be false, right? So we cannot declare yes it is true. On a windy day, this sentence is true. Otherwise, it is false. We cannot declare. Here both are happening. Both are happening. So statement or not a statement? Statement or not a statement? This is not a statement. This is not a statement. Good. This is not a statement. Right. Now you observe this one, last bit in this. All real numbers are complex numbers. All real numbers are complex numbers. Very good, Aruna Kumari. Actively you are participating. Sakshi. Very good, Sakshi. Right. All real numbers are complex numbers. In complex numbers chapter, we will learn that every real number is a complex number. What is complex number? The number of the form a plus ib is called a complex number. Correct? The number of the form a plus ib is called a complex number. Suppose you take a real number 2. 2 is a complex number. 2 can be written as in the form of a plus ib. Yes, 2 can be written as 2 plus I into 0. 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 is a complex number. 1 by 2 is a real number. Is 1 by 2 is a complex number? Yes, 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus I into 0. It is clear that every real number is a complex number. You learn this in complex number chapter. So this is a true statement. We can declare that it is true. Every real number is a complex number. As you can declare it is true, I can say that it is a statement. I can say that it is a statement, right? This is a statement. Good. Now, with this, all questions of first bit is completed. Now you see the second bit. What is the second bit? Second bit is like this. Give 3 examples of sentences which are not statements. Which are not statements. Give reason for your answer. It's very simple. Don't go with the complicated example so that who is evaluating your paper, he will confuse. Go with the simple examples. For example, first example which is not a statement. First example which is not a statement. First one. Mathematics is difficult. Mathematics is difficult. Mathematics is difficult. This is a statement or not a statement? This is not a statement because it is true for some, it is false for some. We already discussed in first problem also as well as in examples also. This is one best example for not a statement. Is not a statement. They are asking which are the follow. Give examples of a sentences which are not statements. If they ask give the reason, it is true for some, it is false for some. That's why this is not a statement. That is the reason you need to write. I am not writing reason here. If you want to write the reason, this is not a declarative sentence. You can write like that, or else you can write answer like this also. How you can write the answer? This sentence is true for some. This sentence is false for some. That's why this is not a statement. Okay. Next, second one. Questions. How are you? How are you? How are you? Questions are not the statements. Questions are not the statements. How are you is not a statement because it is a question. Okay. Third example, which is not a statement. Kashmir is far from here. Kashmir is far from here. Or open the door. Request. Kashmir. Kashmir is far from here. This is not a statement. Why? Because those who are in the Kashmir, for them it is false. I'm in Bangalore. Kashmir is far from here. For me, it is true. But the people who are in Kashmir, for them, it is false. So that's why this is not a statement. As they are asking, give the reason, you give the same reason. This is true for some. This is false for some. This is true for the people, those who are in Kashmir. This is false for the students, those who are far from the Kashmir. Okay. Close the door. Questions, orders, requests, exclamations are not the statements. That's all. So in this class, this is the first class of mathematical reasoning. We learned the definition of statement. What is statement? It is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Statement is the hero of this story. This definition is hero of this story. In every exercise, we'll use statement, compound statement, negation of a statement, conditional statement, biconditional statement. Like that, everywhere we'll use this statement. So it is must that you must know what is statement, right? Statement is what? It is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. I hope with these examples, you understand these things clearly, right? Yes, Nisha is asking, what is your name? My name is Balaji Rao. Our channel is BR Max Class. Raghavendra Rao. Thank you, sir. Raghavendra Rao. Right. I'll try to complete this chapter within a week. Please try to understand. I'm not uploading the videos because one is a busy schedule. Another one is health conditions. Recently my health is not good. Right now I'm okay. My health is improving, so I'll try to do the videos continuously from now onwards, right? Please share these videos with your friends and drop a like and subscribe to my channel, right? Any questions if you want to ask, you can ask now. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Any questions if you want to ask, you can ask now. 11 members are watching. Very good. Harshita HC. Yes. I'll tell you what the pattern I'm going to use to complete this chapter. See, basic idea is, first I'll do NCERT textbook. First I'll complete NCERT textbook. This exercise problems, miscellaneous exercise, all the things I'll complete first. Okay. After that, level 1 problems I'll do in this. Objective level 1. In this, we'll cover KCET or easy questions. All those things will be covered in level. KCET, state level board exams will cover in level 1. And I'll do previous year's KCET questions also. PYQ, Karnataka CET, right? PYQs of KCET. That is second level. Okay. Next, level 2. In level 2, I'll do JEE problems. In JEE level, what questions they are asking from the chapter mathematical reasoning. Actually, 90% chances are there one question will come from mathematical reasoning chapter. Mathematical reasoning questions are very easy. In JEE, they cannot create more difficult questions from this chapter. That's why level 2 is JEE type questions, and I'll do previous year questions in JEE. Whatever the questions given from this mathematical reasoning chapter, those things also I'll complete. So this is the plan of action to complete this chapter. Nisha, my name is Balaji Rao. My channel name is BR Max Class. Right? Right. Okay. This is what the action plan is this month, and coming 15 days, I want to complete these things. Right? That's all for today's class. Thank you. Thank you, Smart Gaming. Thank you. And sir, that is the example of not a statement, sir. It is the example, not a statement. Yes, we are writing the examples for not a statement only in this. Nisha. And no doubt, sir. No questions, sir. Right. Right. That's all for today's class. Sir, give the link of live lectures. Link of live lectures means I didn't understand, Sakshi. In our channel, you go to the playlist. Best thing is go to the playlist. You will find all chapters wise. Go to the playlist. Sakshi, go to the playlist. Or in our channel, in the description, this video description is there. And check that description. In that, all chapters wise link is given. Okay, Aruna Kumari, thank you so much, sir. Good vibes. Yes, positive vibes, good vibes, right. Right, that's all. Thank you.